Are you a breastfeeding mom and have you ever wanted to buy lactation cookies, but they all have allergens in them and you can't eat them? Well, today we're going to show you how to make some allergen-free lactation cookies. These cookies will help your breast milk supply. They make your breast milk extra healthy, but trust me, only eat them if you need to up your supply because these will work. Welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, this is Zeta, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you can see when we post our next video. As always, the recipe is in the description below, but here is everything you will need for these fabulous cookies. Old-fashioned rolled oats, dairy-free chocolate chips, gluten-free flour, brewer's yeast, granulated sugar, brown sugar, coconut oil, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, flax meal, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and vanilla. First ingredient, oats. Now, oats will increase your milk supply super fast. So if you are struggling with this, have a bowl of oatmeal and it will fix everything. Next up, brewer's yeast. Now this is another ingredient that is great for your milk supply. It's also just chock full of vitamins, so grab yourself some brewer's yeast. I ordered this on Amazon, super easy. Another ingredient, incredible for milk supply, flax seeds. So this is flax meal because we want to have a nice texture on our cookie. So flax meal will up our supply as well. Now we're just moving on to our regular cookie ingredients. Because sometimes when you're breastfeeding, babies cannot tolerate gluten so well when you eat it, we're going gluten-free. This is a gluten-free flour. It's a great blend. Choose your favorite. Next up, just some good old-fashioned sugar. Pour it in there. Good job. And as every good chewy cookie has, brown sugar. The very last dry ingredient combo, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. We're just gonna whisk that together. We're gonna go ahead and cream together the rest of our ingredients. So we have some coconut oil. Coconut anything is great for milk supply, and we don't wanna use dairy because sometimes babies can't handle dairy. So we don't wanna use butter. So we got coconut oil. Here we go, let's put that in there.
Oh, I need to scrape it. Got a big chunk.
Okay, so now 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And some pure vanilla extract. Now we're just going to mix that until it is fully combined. A minute or less. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to this wet ingredient mixture all at the same time and give it a good stir to make sure it comes together. Good job.
I made a mess.
Just a little mess. So as we were mixing the ingredients, it looked a little dry, so we are going to up this to 2 eggs instead of just 1 plus 1 yolk. Last but not least, we are going to add some allergen-free chocolate chips. Now, some babies cannot tolerate chocolate. This is normal. So if you are one of those mommies with one of those babies, feel free to substitute these for some raisins, some nuts, or possibly butterscotch chips. Whatever works for you. So we're gonna scoop these into 1 tablespoon sized mounds, and then we'll stick them in the freezer for about 5 minutes and bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 to 14 minutes or until the bottoms are just lightly golden. All right, our cookies are done. They have cooled and they look amazing. Look at this. Chew. Oh my gosh, yes. You wanna try them? That's a good cookie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, also really like these no-bake cookies. Go check them out right over here. And if you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we want to hear from you, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can see when we post our next video. Have a great one.